Hello and welcome to all returning viewers and those who are watching for the first time. Are you ready to unlock the magic of long multiplication and become maths superheroes?
Absolutely, Sally. Buckle up for an epic maths adventure.
Well, Billy, long multiplication is like our maths superpower, perfect for tackling bigger numbers.
Long multiplication.
It's the tool we superheroes use to multiply numbers with more than one digit.
And once you master it, you'll be equipped to solve all kinds of colossal maths challenges. That's right, Sally.
Okay, let's kick off with a simple example. Imagine we want to multiply 23 by 4.
First, we multiply the units 3 by 4.
That gives us 12.
Next, we multiply the tens 2 by 4.
And that gives us 8.
Finally, we add the two results together.
So, 23 times 4 equals 92.
Wow, that's amazing.
Now, it's time for you to flex those long multiplication muscles. Sally and Billy have some problems for you to solve.
Okay, first one, 36 times 5. Remember, take your time, long multiplication is not so hard. If you follow the rules, you can leave your answer in the comments. So Sally, do you have another sum for them?
Fantastic. Now, how about 47 times 3? Once you find out the answer, put them in the comments. We would love to see all your answers.
Great, you rock. Thanks for hanging out with us today. We hope you had a blast diving into the world of long multiplication. Remember, practice makes perfect.
Great job, everyone. You're well on your way to becoming long multiplication experts, just like Sally and Billy.
Like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more maths adventures with Sally and Billy, your favorite maths superheroes. Bye. See you all soon.
Bye from me, Sally. See you next time.